Hello, my name is Jack Walters. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Hapware. I got my degrees in mechanical engineering and engineering and technology management from School Minds. And Hapware is a wearable technology company that provides people with disabilities real-time access to nonverbal communication cues in social interactions. Everything you want to know about someone else, we communicate that to you in real time, from facial expressions to gestures to body language to emotions. Hapware started from a senior design project that was sponsored by the federal government. They came to us and asked, hey, build something with haptic technology. That started a whole range of research. Oh, it's the thing in your phone when you're texting. It's when your game controller vibrates at you. It's the sense of touch when something compresses. And everyone on the team was also very passionate about impact and helping people. So from there, we started talking to people with disabilities of a wide range, and we started hearing a lot of commonalities between those conversations. People would tell us things like they want a description of what people are doing, or someone that's blind wants to know if there's someone to their right or behind them when they're walking home. And people with autism talked about the struggle to understand emotions and behavior. So from there, we noticed that there was a huge gap within communication. And also at this time, the person that was sponsoring the project from the government was part of the blind and low vision community. So we're communicating with him, and we're talking to a bunch of people, and we're learning about this new cutting edge technology of haptics, and realized that we could augment and communicate all those things that they wanted about other people through the sense of touch in an intuitive way. We brought Hapware through the Minds E&I ecosystem, starting at the senior design level. And once we finished senior design, we built a prototype. It was a pair of glasses that could read all those nonverbal and social cues, and a whole sleeve of haptic actuators around it, kind of like a bionic arm. And at the end of it, we couldn't help but feel that there was next steps. So we went and took the Innovate X class in the Beck Venture Center and just said, hey, we want to start a business, and this seems like a great place to start. So we got to Beck and we started learning, and we started talking to more people, and we started testing with the individuals that we built this for. So we just went out and just really got involved in the community to take that next step from a class project that won awards for innovation into a business that has multiple moving parts and can really create the impact and the scale that we want it to. So what's next is getting this into the hands of the thousands of people that really need it the most, through nonprofit partnerships, direct to the consumer, and really building the technology to be a new category of wearable.